Hey guys, I'm here to talk to you today about the new AirHog Star Wars speeder bike drone. I love this vehicle. This is a brand new Star Wars speeder bike from Episode 6, Return of the Jedi. It's got a ton of power, awesome mobility, and even a height lock setting, just like the movies. Let's go quickly through the contents of the box so you know exactly what you're gonna get. Your package contains one speeder bike, one remote control, one charging cable, and one set of instructions. Let's get a little more specific so I can tell you what makes this drone so special. The first thing is you're gonna notice its size. The speeder bike drone is 16 inches in length, but still extremely mobile. You can even fly it indoors in low wind environments. Reason number 2 is the height lock option. This is an amazing feature. Not only does the height lock make the speeder easier to control because you can lock in an altitude and focus on driving, way more important to us, it allows your bike to hover above the ground just like the movies. When height lock is on, you're gonna set a fixed altitude that you can adjust up and down with the button pad, and when height lock is off, it will engage the throttle, making the driver responsible for all altitude stabilization. The other thing to remember is that even though it's intended for outdoor use, the speeder bike is light and fast, so it can be affected by weather conditions. So when you choose a place to fly, be sure to pick a low wind environment without any obstacles in your path. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. I'm super excited about this speeder, and I think all the other Star Wars fans out there are gonna be too. So until next time, we'll see you around.